Sutra of the Merit and Virtue of the Past Vows of Medicine Master Vaiḍūrya like Tathagata. Thus I have heard. At one time the Bhagavan was travelling through various lands to teach living beings. He arrived at Vaishali, city of extensive adornments, and stayed beneath a tree from which music resounded. With him were 8,000 great bhikshus and 36,000 bodhisattvas, mahasattvas, also kings, ministers, brahmins, lay disciples, gods, dragons, and the rest of the eightfold division, beings both human and non-human. The immeasurable great multitude respectfully surrounded him, and he spoke Dharma for them. At that time, the Dharma prince Manjushri, receiving the awesome inspiration of the Buddha, rose from his seat, bared one of his shoulders, knelt on his right knee, and inclining his head and placing his palms together, said to the Bhagavan, "World-honored one, we wish you would speak about such dharmas as the Buddha's names, the great vows they made in the past, and their supreme merit and virtue, so that those who hear them will be rid of their karmic hindrances. This request is also for the sake of bringing benefit and joy to sentient beings in the Dharma image age." The Buddha then praised the pure youth Manjushri. Good indeed, Manjushri. With great compassion you now request that I speak about the Buddha's names and the merit and virtue of their past vows for the sake of rescuing sentient beings who are bound up by karmic obstacles, and for the purpose of bringing benefit, peace, and joy to beings who live in the Dharma image age. Listen attentively to my words and reflect on them extremely well, for I will now answer you. Manjushri said, "Please do speak. We are glad to listen." The Buddha told Manjushri, "Passing from here to the east, beyond Buddha lands numerous as the sand grains in 10 Ganges rivers, is a world called Pure Vaiḍūrya. The Buddha there is named Medicine Master Vaiḍūrya like Tathagata, of proper and equal enlightenment, perfect in understanding and practice, well gone one who understands the world, Supreme Lord, regulating hero, teacher of gods and humans, Buddha, Bhagavan. Manjushri, when that world-honored one, Medicine Master Vaiḍūrya like Tathagata, was practicing the Bodhisattva path in the past, he made 12 great vows that enable all sentient beings to obtain what they seek.